What's going on, guys? Here with another video. Now, this topic is a very, very interesting topic and an extremely demanding topic that I've been getting asked a lot, especially during the coronavirus, is how in the world do you find US suppliers for drop shipping in 2020 right now, because there's a lot of stuff going on with the coronavirus. China is holding their flights, Europe is being massively delayed with e-packets. So I highly wouldn't recommend going that route. And also what you're gonna learn in this video is how to overnight increase your conversions just by offering 2 to 5 day shipping on your website, because people love to know that the product is being shipped from the US, okay? People will buy into that. They don't want 20, 30 day shipping from China, and if they even get their product, because they've probably been scammed before, screwed over before by another company, so they're kind of skeptical about that, all right? And on top of that, Facebook, Shopify, everyone loves you, your customer loves you, they come back, lifetime value. Now you just built a fan base around your company, which is long-term play. You want to always go long-term, because that's how you make the big bucks and you stay in the game much longer, okay? So we're gonna dive into this, guys. Stay tuned, be ready, take some notes. This stuff works. If you guys have any questions, you know where to find me. Do not forget, smash that like button if you guys like this video. It helps with the YouTube algorithm. And of course, hit that subscribe button. It notifies you guys every time I post. Make sure you have your notifications on, so that way you guys are catching all this value. You guys know something, right? We all know something. E-commerce is very, very easy. All you need to know is 2 rules, like I say in every single video. Number 1, show up every day. Number 2, apply what's working right now. Let's get it, guys.
I've tried to send, my information's just not going in. I'm burning bridges shore to shore. I break away from something more. I'm not turned on to love until it's cheap.
You may think it's a very hard process to find new suppliers, but it's actually very simple. How I used to do e-commerce 2018 is completely different versus now. I know the game changes like anything else, okay? When you used to play basketball back in the 90s, completely different game style versus when you play basketball in 2020, okay? Everything's changed. Everything is changing in this world faster than it's ever been. So if you're watching this video, you're probably either a drop shipper already, or you're looking to get into dropshipping, but you don't really know how to find your product in China, and can you still deliver it to this day with all this stuff going on. So I'm gonna break down both scenarios for you. If you're a drop shipper, you probably do not want to be using e-packet, because a lot of e-packets is being delayed. There's not a lot of flights coming out to the US now because everything going on. So you're getting delayed about 10 to 15 days more than it already is, which means about 30 to 45 days for it to arrive at your customer's doorstep, if that, all right? So that's not good. Your customer gets mad, your bad reputation, Facebook's mad at you, Shopify's mad at you, and of course, you're not building a long-term business, which means you're losing in the long run, which is not a good thing. Now, scenario number 2 is you're a beginner dropshipper. You don't know what's going on. You don't know if China still ships out, which they do, but it's being delayed. So you don't want to be using China to send out products to the US or Europe or anywhere, just because there's a massive delay across the whole industry. I'm gonna break down to you guys multiple ways you can find US suppliers in this video, so pay very close attention. Do not forget, hit that like button and show some love. It helps with the YouTube algorithm. I want to deliver some value. I want to make sure people are seeing these videos. And of course, subscribe to the channel. Click that notification button. You will be notified every single time I post. I want to see you guys crush with e-commerce. E-commerce is easy, guys. You have 3 options in this situation, okay? Number 1, you can pause your store, hang out, maybe build another branded store, another product, sell another product, fix your store, take it to the next level, but that's not the best idea, because you're pausing your store, which means you're not making any money. Now, in these times, you probably want to be making some money because a lot of people are laid off, but everyone has their own situation, okay? So it's not the best idea, but you could do that. Number 2, okay, now you can make a bulk order from China, send it to the US, and put in a fulfillment center. They take care of all the fulfillment for you. They ship it out to the customers. But the problem with that is there's a lot of money that can cost you up front, and you don't even know if it's a winning product, especially if you're a beginner. You're not gonna go drop 1 to 3K on a product. What happens if it doesn't work? Now it's chilling in the warehouse, and you're getting charged for that if it stays there for longer than expected, okay? So it's not the best idea. And of course, if you are an experienced dropshipper, that's another option you can do. But again, you never know. That product might not be selling anymore because of the coronavirus. Not a lot of products are selling the same as they used to. I had one friend that does over $100 million with e-commerce. He's in the beauty industry and his sales tanked by 60%. Why? Because the beauty industry is not popping that well right now because people are not going out. They don't really care about how they look right now. They're inside in pajamas, chilling, hanging out, watching Netflix, scrolling through Instagram, through Facebook. That's why right now is a great time to start drop shipping in 2020 because there's a lot of opportunity, but you got to find out what to sell. All right, that's the key. So that's your second option. All right, now not a bad option, but it's not the greatest option. Now, third option is finding US suppliers that you can ship from the US that have your product in the US that take 2 to 5 days to ship to their doorstep, which is a greater plan. You're in business, you're making money, and it's not a lot of upfront costs, which means you win at the end, okay? The best option there. So number one, if you wanna find US suppliers, it is very, very simple. This is one way to do it. Let's hop on my computer. I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to find US suppliers. Let's do it. Alrighty guys, so it's much more simpler than you think. We're gonna be using Aliexpress to find US suppliers in the US. And if you're paying very close attention, your product might actually be in someone's warehouse right now in the US where you can be offering 2 to 5 day shipping, which means you automatically increase your conversions overnight, anywhere from 10 to 20%, just because anytime you offer US shipping in the US, conversions spike up because people want to know that it's being shipped from the US and it's not taking 20, 30 days if the product even gets to their doorstep, because so many people have been screwed over, scammed by the idea of not fulfilling their orders. So this is a huge piece to conversions, and you guys want to advertise there is US shipping when you have the opportunity to, and you can fulfill that with 2 to 5 day shipping. Do not want to do false advertisement if you cannot fulfill 2 to 5 day shipping and you're saying on your website. So make sure that the manufacturer's in the US and you're able to do 2 to 5 day shipping. Pay very close attention right now. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're just gonna type in something like kitchen tools. All right, let's find something like that. And what you're gonna realize, okay, yes I am, is right here there's a ship from US, Turkey, China. What you wanna do is click the United States, okay? And check this out, all these products are shipping from US warehouses that you can get your hands on right now, okay? So let's go to this product. Now look, China, US, Spain, Russia, France. You click US, check this out, all right. Delivery before 5/22 or full refund. Just by this simple filter that is on AliExpress, I told you guys, it's a lot simpler than you think. Use this, it works. I've done it before last year. Now I use an agent and I ship out all my products from my fulfillment center, okay? So, but if you're starting drop shipping or you're a little bit scared, you haven't done a bulk order yet, you don't wanna go that deep into e-commerce yet, do this, it works. It's amazing, and you can advertise 2 to 5 day shipping with on your website, which is a huge bonus, which again increases conversions massively. Okay, again, we can try this with another product. Let's see what else we got in here. Let's do like a home body workout. And what you want to do is ship from the US. And look at this, guys. So look at this app roller right here. Ships from China, check, United States, Spain, Russia, France, United States, gets there by 5/22 or full refund. You have nothing to lose. They will love you. They'll leave you great reviews. Facebook will love you. Google, YouTube, Shopify would all love you, and everybody is winning, all right? So use this. I highly recommend it. It works. If you guys have any questions, you know where to find me. Drop a comment below or message me on Instagram, azhimself. Okay, this is the first strategy I would recommend when you're finding US suppliers. All right, guys, strategy number 2, the way to find US suppliers in the US is using a simple website called eBay, okay? There are lots of products in the US on eBay that you can literally drop ship from eBay to your consumers' doorsteps. Pay very close attention here, guys. I'm telling you guys, look, let's find a product right now. Let's do something in the dog niche, okay? Dog collars, all right? Let's click this right here. All right, guys, check this out. Dog collars with buckle nylon. Collars for dogs, puppies, small, medium, large. If you're selling this product right here, you will see delivery time estimated April 23rd to April 27th, about a week and a half. It's in the US, ships from the US. Again, guys, if you guys want it to arrive sooner, you probably do some upsells, or you can have them pay for it with an upsell of a delivery charge. All right, so again, this is another way to find US suppliers in the US using eBay. eBay has so many products. It's like Amazon, just it's very underrated. You guys don't realize that. But there are lots of products on eBay. I guarantee by 80% of the people that are watching this video has their product on eBay that can be shipped from a US warehouse. Go on eBay, look to see if your product's on there, and you guys might be lucky. You are staring at a US warehouse that has your product, okay? Which means your conversions are gonna go much higher, which means we're all winning in the game of e-commerce. And e-commerce is very hot right now. So I'm telling you, if you guys were to put 2 to 5 day shipping on your product, I can promise you your conversions will increase at least 10 to 15% within the next day, okay? It's that powerful. 2 to 5 day shipping works so well, and it's even better when you say 2 to 3 day shipping, because you're competing with Amazon. They think you're an actual company now, not a drop shipping store, which is huge and puts your product on their doorsteps within a 2 to 3 day span, okay, or 2 to 5 day span. All right, so run with this, guys. You might find your product on eBay. That is the second strategy that I have for you guys. Those two work very well. Alrighty, guys, so that pretty much sums up the 2 main strategies that you can use to find US suppliers in the US that are delivering to your customers' doorsteps within 2 to 7 business days, which is a massive conversion ratio if you do e-commerce. And it's a huge momentum shift when you are running an e-commerce store. Not just that, if you're a beginner dropshipper, you will thank me later why you ended up finding US suppliers versus dealing with China and they being your packages being delayed. Now customers are mad at you, you're dealing with negative hate and all this negative feedback, which is not good at all. No one likes that stuff. So, and if you're an experienced dropshipper, it always feels better to deliver 2 to 7 business days because your customer's happy, you're happy, your VA from the Philippines is happy that's dealing with customer support. Everyone's happy, your margins go up, your conversion ratios are up just because you're promoting 2 to 5 day shipping or 2 to 7 day shipping, which everyone is winning at the end, okay? So make sure you find US suppliers. I guarantee you 80% of people that are watching this video, your product is somewhere inside a US warehouse. You just gotta find it. All right, guys, so if you guys like this video, drop a thumbs up, smash that like button for me, guys. It helps with the YouTube algorithm. I want to keep producing all these videos out for you guys. And of course, do not forget to subscribe, hit that notification button because you will be notified every single time when I post a video. I take time out of my own day to make sure we can get this value out to you guys so that way e-commerce is easy for you guys. You don't want to go through all this trial and error like I did. And a lot of other experienced dropshippers out there that are doing e-commerce have went through a lot of trial and error to start off. You just got to know 2 rules, like I say in every video. Number 1, show up. Number 2, apply what's working right now. Do not forget, if you guys have any questions about this topic in general, drop your comments below. I would love to answer all of them. And of course, you can reach me at azhimself on Instagram if you have any questions there as well. Hit that like button. Subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys later. Be safe out there. I know we're all quarantined right now. It sucks, but we're gonna all be back to human society. Everyone's about to be lit after all this stuff going on. Anyways, take care, guys. Be safe out there. Stay inside. Keep crushing it. Let's get it.